Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. I'm Eunice. Today's gist is about a man who was called to bar after spending 12 years in prison for a crime he did not commit. A Nigerian man identified as Akpogene Edeno has proven to many people that with faith and determination coupled with hard work, nothing is impossible to achieve. He was recently called to bar, but his life story has left many people in awe. According to Facebook user Charles Malam Obi, Edeno was imprisoned for 12 years for a murder he did not commit. This, however, did not stop him from pursuing his dreams, as he not only wrote WAEC in prison, he proceeded to study law after he was released. The post reads, Akpogene Edeno is my childhood friend who spent 12 years in prison for a murder he didn't commit. He wrote WAEC while still in prison. He came out in 2012 and immediately proceeded to the University of Benin to study law. Today, he has been called to the Nigerian bar. His story is a testament to show how indomitable the determined human spirit is. He could have been bitter at the society for the injustice he suffered for an offense he didn't commit. He could have been depressed, but he chose to show up and face the challenges of life. Congratulations, my brother. The sky isn't even your starting floor. Let me know what you think about this revelation in the comment below. Thank you.